Ellen Adarna may ibinuking kay John Lloyd Cruz patungkol sa pagsusustento nito sa anak nilang si Elias. Sa isang Instagram Q&A session noong June 30, 2023, ibinahagi ni Ellen na tumutupad si John Lloyd sa kanyang financial obligations o sustento para sa kanilang anak na si Elias. Ibinahagi rin ni Ellen na mayroon silang agreement ni John Lloyd sa kung magkano ang sustentong dapat ipadala ni John Lloyd. And to her surprise ay dinoble pa raw umano ni John Lloyd ang kanilang napag-usapan. Aniya, okay, I'm going to answer this because I get this a lot. Yes, he does. When he asked me how much does Elias need, I gave him a breakdown of his basic needs. Just basic needs, and that's 10,000 pesos maximum. But he insisted on doubling it. Alam naman daw ni Ellen na kayang-kayang mag-provide o magsustento ni John Lloyd sa kanilang anak. Ngunit ayaw daw niyang humingi pa ng kahit anong sobra sa kung ano ang kailangan ng kanilang anak. Aniya, I know he is more than capable of giving more than that, but I told him I cannot accept anything more than 20,000 and that's it. I also have, because we are co-parenting, I have my obligations and responsibilities for Elias. So it's just fair. So there, anything more than 20,000 pesos for me is just not right. Morally not right because he's not schooling yet. Natanong din si Ellen patungkol sa pagmamanage niya sa kanyang finances. At kahit alam nga ng lahat na si Ellen ay isang milyonarya, natanong pa rin siya kung nagme-maintain pa rin ba siya ng budget sa kanyang pera. At dito nga sinagot at ipinaliwanag ni Ellen. Aniya, yes, because money is not unlimited. Natanong din si Ellen kung paano nila minamanage ng kanyang ngayong husband na si Derek Ramsey ang kanilang finances. Sagot ni Ellen sa tanong ng netizen. Honestly, Dai, our finances, how we handle our finances are still the same when we started dating. He has his own. I have my own, but we do have a joint account and we only use that for emergency, when there's something at home or when we travel. But so far, there's no problem about the finances. We're not there yet discussing about things like that. At isang netizen naman ang nagtanong sa kanya kung nagpo-provide pa rin daw ba ng financial support sa kanya ang mister na si Derek Ramsey. Kung saan aniya, maybe if I don't have a job and there's no money coming in, maybe I will ask money from him, but that's a desperate situation already. Kanya ring ipinaliwanag na hindi niya hahayaang ma-reach niya ang ganong point. Aniya, masakit sa loob ko, Dai. Mabigat to ask something from someone. I wasn't raised like that and knowing myself, I will never allow that to happen to me. I will find ways. So like I said, how the situation is the same when we first started dating, he has his own, I have my own.